Welcome to our e-commerce app demo video. In this video, we will explore the admin panel, customer app, and driver app interfaces. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of how these components come together to create a seamless e-commerce app ecosystem. First, we will show you how a customer can effortlessly place an order through our e-commerce app, and how a dedicated delivery team ensures that the order gets delivered to this customer. Let's open the customer app.
We first need to log into the app. If a customer wants to place an order, they must log into or sign up in the app. They can sign up directly with their social accounts like Google, Facebook, and Twitter. After logging into the customer app, before placing the order, let's explore the interface of the customer app. The logo of the e-commerce brand appears on the top left corner. Next to it, you can see 3 bars. If we click on them, we get a panel which consists of a home button, an order again button to repeat the same order we made earlier, a wish list bucket, followed by links to privacy policy and the terms and conditions link. To place an order, we have to select the product, then select the quantity, then click on the Add to Cart button. You will notice that the item is now reflecting in the cart. Now we go to the cart. We have to add an address, or it can be automatically fetched with geofence. Add delivery instructions if there are any. We also have the option to give a tip to the delivery agent who will deliver the item. We can select the gift option if we want to send it as a gift to someone. Next, we will select payment method, schedule order if we want it to be delivered on a specific date, or simply place the order directly and the delivery date will be decided by the admin. To check the status of this order, we need to visit the My Account section. To do that, click on the top right corner at the flag of your country, and it will take us to the My Account section. Click on the My Orders option, where we can view both the active orders and the past orders. As this is an active order, we will click on the Active Order button. Click on the most recent order, which shows at the top. This allows us to verify the status of the order. It will keep changing to different stages till it successfully gets delivered to you. After the customer places the order, it will reflect in the admin panel. Let's go ahead and log into the admin panel. First, we must sign in with our login credentials. Once we log in, we can view the placed order in the order bucket. We see that the placed order is pending for approval here. Once the admin accepts the order, it will shift to the active order bucket and the customer will receive a confirmation notification or a message. Once the admin confirms the order for a customer, we log into the dispatcher panel to manage the logistics of the delivery. To assign the order to a driver, go to the Routes section. Select the driver. In this case, we select Shailesh as the driver. The driver can be automatically aligned with the task with the batch system, or we can assign the delivery task manually. The moment an admin selects a driver, this selected driver will receive a notification like this in his device. Once the driver accepts the request, he can start the delivery process. Once the delivery process is started, the customer will receive a tracking URL through SMS. Once the order is delivered by the delivery agent, it will be shifted to the order history bucket on the admin panel, and the customer can view the order in the past order section of My Account in the customer app. The driver can view this completed order in his driver's app task history section. This is how a customer can place the order from our e-commerce app. In the back end, we showed how the admin accepts the order, assigns it to the delivery partner, who then delivers it to the customer.
Let's do a deep dive into the workings of admin panel.
In the admin panel, you'll find different sections. There's the orders section where you can manage order details. Next, there's settings which allows you to control your profile, configurations, and more. You'll also find the marketing section for adding banners and running promotions. Lastly, there's an extra section with options for gift cards and various tools. Let's take a closer look at these points and explore how they work. We'll also discuss how this software can contribute to the smooth operation and growth of your business. First, let's begin with the orders. We provide a comprehensive dashboard that allows you to monitor every aspect of your platform. This includes real-time tracking of key metrics such as the number of registered customers, active order counts, vendor performance, total revenue generated, product inventory, and the performance of your managers. You have the flexibility to categorize the data on a weekly or a monthly basis. For instance, if you wish to examine the analytics for the month of August, simply select that specific month and the analytics will promptly reflect the data for that period. This enables you to pinpoint the months when your revenue experiences notable growth. Within this interface, you have access to a detailed overview of the orders placed by customers on either your website or mobile app. Specifically, you have the ability to view pending orders. As an administrator, you have the authority to either accept or reject these orders. For example, if you accept the order, it will get shifted to the active orders, and the same will be reflected on the user side. Now you can see the order we accepted is now reflecting here. Once it's delivered, this order will move to order history. Now we move to the vendor section. Here we can view the details of all the listed or registered vendors. We have the numbers of total vendors, open vendors, and total products available on our platform. In the active section, you can view details of active vendors like their name, status, are they open or closed, their address, orders, active orders, products they are offering, and so on. In the awaiting for approval section, you can view the vendors who want to be listed on the platform and are waiting for admin's approval. To approve the request, we can click on the accept button and the vendor will be listed. In the block to vendor section, you can check the list of blocked vendors. Likewise, if you want to view the details of a particular vendor, you simply have to click on the vendor profile and the full detailed view will be available, along with the total product numbers, published products, last mile deliverables, new products offered by this vendor, and the featured products, along with the name of the product, category, brand, quality, price, and so on. Now we move to the accounting section. We click on the orders inside the accounting section. Then we can view the accounting details of orders with total order value, total number of orders placed, total cash to be collected, and total delivery fees earned. You can view all these details in a format which contains date and time, customer name, vendor from whom users need purchase, vendors earning from a particular order, subtotal amount, and so on. We now move on to the loyalty points. We can track our expenses in running the loyalty points schemes. You can view the types of loyalty points, options which are available to a vendor or a customer. You can also view the type of loyalty points applied, total number of loyalty points earned, and total loyalty points spent with the number of unique orders. You can get the detailed information by date, type of loyalty, and payment option. Next is the promo codes, where we can view how much admin and vendors spend on the promo codes, with the total number of promo codes used with the number of unique users. We can also view the total number of promo codes used by unique users. You can view the order ID with details like who used the promo code, with date and time, customer name, vendor name, payment method, and all other details. Next, we move to taxes. Here you can view the total number of taxes applied, total number of taxes collected, with the order ID, date and time, customer name, tax amount, payment methods, and so on. We now move to the vendors. Here we get to know about the total order value, total delivery fees, and total commissions earned by the vendors. We can also view the bifurcated details of these with vendor name, order value, delivery, commissions, and so on. Next, we move to payout request, where we can view the payout request with the total order value, pending payout value, and completed payout value. If a payout request is pending, it will be listed in the pending section, and once it is completed, it will automatically shift to the completed section with the details of vendors who requested payout and how much they requested. Next, we move to the gift card section. Here we can view the gift cards used by the customers along with card usage, customer's name, and other details. Last section in accounting is subscription discount. In it, we can keep the track of how much the subscription discount is on you as an admin and how much is it on the vendor's account. With this tool, we get data bifurcated with order number, customer name, vendor name, discount details on both accounts, and total subscription discount implied. After the accounting section, we have a section of subscription plans for customers and vendors. In the customer section, we can view the total subscribed users with an image of the banner image, title, description, price, features, and the time frequency of the subscription plan which a customer can avail for. To add a new subscription plan, click on the Add Plan button, upload image, add title, features, price, and frequency of the plan, either weekly, monthly, or yearly, and add description, then enable it from the toggle and submit it. Once you submit the details, the plan will be shown here. You can customize its visibility. You can make it visible only to customers. This can be further customized to be shown either just at the time of sign up of the customer, or it will be shown every time the customer opens the app. In case of vendors, the meaning of subscription is slightly different. Here with the details of subscription plans, you can also view the vendors awaiting for subscription approval, approved plans, and rejected requests. To add a new plan, click on the Add Plan button. That was all about the subscription section. Next, we move on to the customer section. We can check the customer details from here, including active user count, inactive user count, and social login count. Active users are listed here. You can check their details like name, email, phone last login date, and all other details. Import or export the data from here. We can edit the wallet details by adding the customer's name, amount, remarks, and selecting the wallet's motive, whether it's for making a payment or receiving one. Then, click the Add button. Next, we move on to the report section where we can view product reviews and product performance reports. In product reviews, we can view the ratings of the product which received any review, and this will help us in understanding the product performance. And in the product performance report, we have the list of top 10 or 20 or even top 100 best performing products. Then there is the admin service area section. Here you can select the service area where you want to serve. You have to click on the Add Service Area, add area name, area description, primary language, primary currency, and set the geofence area. Next, we move to the settings section. It further has its own subsections. We start first with profile. In profile, we can customize admin's profile, where you can update organization details, update light theme and dark theme logo, name, email, contact number, company address, company name, country, and the time zone. Next, we move to customize. Here we can select our localization, in which you can update date, time, currency format, delivery time estimator, where we can select the distance unit either in kilometer or mile, distance to time multiplier, and finally confirm the language and currencies. Set primary country, additional countries which are serviceable, primary language, additional languages, and so on. We can also select the vendor type. It can be for delivery, booking, or pickup. We only need to be enabling the toggle for offering services and save them. Next, we can add our custom domain links, Android, iOS app links, and social media links. These will be shown on your platform like this. We also have the option of nomenclature in different languages that we are offering in languages like English, Hindi, Indonesian, Spanish, and Italian. Next is user onboarding authentication, where we can customize the authentication method. It can be email, phone, concise sign-up, or phone sign-up. We can decide on the documents required for a vendor to join our platform, which includes shop registration number, business license as shown here, and if we want to add another document, click on the Add Document button, then click Add Type. This can be text, image, or PDF. Then select whether it's mandatory or not. We can also add the language of the documents and save it. Similarly, we have the process of users document registration. Then we move to miscellaneous, where we can customize our order email notification content, refer and earn amounts, Google Analytics ID, and Facebook Pixel ID. Then we move to slotting and order scheduling. There are multiple options for. We can select the one we want and then save it like this way. Then we can also decide what should be the cancellation policy fees and takeaways, advance booking amount. If we want to enable them, then we can do it from here. Next, we have the styling section, which contains first, it's app styling. Here we can customize the font styles and we can pick the primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Tab bar style, tutorial images, home page style, home and page sections. Second option is web styling. Just like the case of app styling, we can update the favicon and admin sign-in image, colors and modes, icons which we want to show on your website, add contact us details. With this, we can also edit homepage style, payment method icons, order delivery status icons, homepage sections. We can add sections from here like this. Next, we move to the CMS section. We can update web page content for privacy policy, terms and conditions, return policy, and vendor registration. If we want to update the content of these, select the category of which we want to change, and we can also add meta title, type of the policy, meta keyword, meta description, and content. Email. Then it's emails. We can select the subject for email, add content, and publish it. Notifications. We can share notifications with our users, select the purpose of the notification out of these, add subject, content, and publish it. SMS. We can share SMS notifications for order placement, OTP verification, user sign up, order tracking URL. To share SMS, we need to add subject, template ID, and content and then publish it. Reasons. Here we can view the return request with active and inactive numbers with the reasons. Along with that, you can also see the status of the request made by the customer. Next, we move to the catalog section, where we can view the categories of the products which we are offering to the customers. To add a new category, click on the Add button. Add URL slug, parent category under which we want to add this particular category. Enable toggles for visibility in menu and wish list. Add category icon, hover icon, banner image, select language name, meta title, meta description, and meta keywords, and submit the details. We can add variants to the categories from here. For example, in Indian wear, we have the variants like sari, lehenga, suits, and kurta. If we want to add a new variant, we can add it from here by clicking on the Add button. Then we can select variant type. Either it is a drop-down or color, and add variant title in different languages which we are offering. We can also add another variant option if we want to, and then click on Submit button to save the details. We can add brands of the categories which we can edit or delete for a particular brand. We can add brands of the categories which we can edit or delete for a particular brand. To add a new one, click here, upload logo, upload banner, select category, brand title, and submit the details. The brand will be shown here. Next, we have the configuration section, where we can manage all the functionalities of the e-commerce platform. It further includes multiple subsections. Let us start with the first one, which is hyperlocal. By enabling hyperlocal, we can add our geofence area, and the same will be shown in the admin service area. Then the vendor delivery option is where we can select the type of delivery options we want to offer. It can be same-day delivery, next-day delivery, or hyperlocal delivery. Payment options. Then select the payment options that we want to offer to our users when they purchase something. It can be cash on delivery, prepaid payment, or partial payment. Next, we have social login. From here, we can select which social media platform we want to enable for our users to register or sign up on your platform. To make it enable, you only have to click on the enable button. This choice will be shown to user when they try to register or sign up on the platform. Map configuration. We can configure the map, email and SMS from here. Select map, enter API key and API key for app and save the details. SMS. For SMS, we can enable the status OTP to make it more authenticated for users. Select service provider, API key, secret and save the details. Mail configuration. In the mail configuration section, select mail type, mail driver, host, port username, password, encryption, mail from address and save the details. Firebase notification configuration. In the Firebase notification, customer support, SOS numbers that will be shown on your web. CRM. In the CRM with which you are accessing the data, for example, you can see for now it's HubSpot. Edit order bookings. We have the edit order option. If you make it enabled for users, they can edit their placed order in the given time which we added here. Third-party accounting. Next is the third-party accounting, Square POS integration, vendor subscription rule. These can be enabled from here if you want to offer subscription plans to your vendors. Next is the influencer module. Notifications of pickup and delivery, add accept reject notifications, time with reminder notification. By enabling this button, low stock notification will be received by the vendor. Lastly, you have custom mods. You can enable anything you want to offer to your customers. For example, in the pre-order tips, post-order tips, you can enable gifting with this. If a user orders something for someone and wants the order to be gift wrapped, they only have to select an option like this and the product will be delivered wrapped to the end user. Next is the tax segment. You can add and view the tax categories you are offering. To add a new category, click here, add title, code and description and submit it. Same is with the tax date, add identifier and tax category which you created recently. Then we can add and define the tax rate for the category and submit it. We now move to the payment options section. Earlier in the configuration section, we discussed the payment methods. Now we will cover the payment options which we can enable from here. For example, when we select cash on delivery, then we can set the minimum amount for cash on delivery. And if we are to allow the use of any of the cards like Master, Visa, etc., then just select the enable option next to the card. We now move to the manage delivery section. In it, we will first cover the delivery option. Here we have few delivery partners which can include Dispatcher, Lalamove, Shiprocket and Dunzo. Currently, we are just using the Dispatcher as our delivery partner. But if we want to use any of the remaining delivery partners, we just need to enable the toggle in front of them. Next, we will cover delivery slots. We can create a delivery slot according to our convenience. If we want to add a new slot, then click here and add title, price, start time, end time, cutoff time, slot duration, and submit the details. Next, we move on to the Manage Roles section. We can manage roles and permissions from here. We can create a new role. To do that, click on the Create Role button, add role, and submit it. Once we submit, it will be shown here, and we can select the permissions from here which we want to offer to this new role. Next, we move to the Marketing section. Here we can manage our marketing promotions. The first option in Marketing section is Banners. We have a customer website as well as a customer app, and we can show banners on both of them. In the banners, we can view the different types of banners that are there with image, name, duration, redirection, and if we want to edit or delete it, then we can do that too from here as well. To add a new banner, click on the Add button and upload the banner image, and then assign it a name, start date and end date, and then assign it to a category or to a vendor or to a URL redirect. Select one of these and then click Submit. This can be an extra source of income for the platform, because if we are promoting a particular vendor in a banner, then we can charge them a fee or charge them a commission. Similarly, we can perform the same steps for mobile banners. Next, we have the promo codes option, where we can view the details of the promo codes which we are offering with image, promo code, title, description, type, amount, and expiry date. To add a new promo code, click on the Add button, upload promo code, add title, provide a description, set the promo code if there are one, then set the promo type, which can be a fixed amount or a percentage discount, then set the amount, add the expiry date of the promo code. Then we set whether the promo code is for a free delivery or it's just for the first order. Then we set out who will pay for the promo code, whether it will be by the admin or by the vendor. Then we set the minimum and maximum amount of the promo code. We then set the limit per user of promo code, followed by the total limit. We then set the visibility of the promo code, which can be either public or private. We can also set restrictions on products or vendors. We can then set the restriction type and choose the product which we want to cover, and then submit this form. Next, we move to the loyalty points option. In loyalty points, you can view the redemption value of the loyalty points, name, image, description, and earnings per order with this particular loyalty program. To add a new loyalty card, click on the Add button, upload image, add name, set the minimum points to reach the level, add description, set the earnings per order, and value of loyalty point. Next, we move to the campaigns option. Here we can view the details of the campaigns which we are running on the platform. It can be in the form of SMS, email, or push notifications. For example, here we have push notification type of campaigns. We can customize it according to our needs. First, we have to add a title, select notification type, write the message, select users whom you want to offer the services, schedule a date, update the request, user count, and the request time after which we can submit the details. Next, we move to the extra option. In the extra section, first we have the gift cards. Here we can view the details of the gift cards with the image, name, price, expiry date of the gift card. We can also edit or delete the cards. To add a new gift card, first upload the gift card image, add title, update the short description, set amount and expiry date, and then submit. And like this, we can create a new gift card. Next is the tools for catalog, which can include copy tool, copy form, copy tool, tax copy tool, and upload multiple files tool. This tool can be used to create the data of another vendor who is selling the same product which is already listed. Similarly, this can be done for the case of tax as well. Next is DB Audit Logs option. Here we can view the database audit logs. Here we can do audits of authentication, products, clients, users, vendors and orders. With this, we've covered everything related to the admin panel. If the driver is using the app for the first time, then they need to sign up to the app. If they are already registered, they can directly log into the app. Once they are logged in, they can view today's task and all task details on the map. If the driver wants to change his status from online to offline and vice versa, they can use this toggle button here. If the driver clicks here, then they will be able to view their task history, their total earnings amount, and the tasks for a particular date. Drivers can also customize their profile from here. They can change their profile picture, name, phone number, job type, referral code, assigned team with whom they can work, transportation type with which they use for delivery services, and lastly they can also delete their accounts from here. They can change language by checking the settings section. Then there is the wallet. From here, drivers can view their lifetime earnings and current balance available in the wallet with transaction history. They also have the option to add funds to the wallet as well. By clicking here, the drivers can view the payout requests. These payout requests basically are for the offline payments received by drivers from customers. In that case, the driver makes payment to the admin, and other cases, if the customer makes payment online to the admin, in that case the driver can make a request for payout. They have to click on the payout button, add an amount and submit it. There is also a contact us option for the driver in case they have any issue or query. This was all about the driver app. With this, we come to the end of our e-commerce app demo. If you want to create an e-commerce app for your own business, then we at Brew Labs are here to help you. With over 3,000 satisfied clients worldwide, we are experts in custom software and app development. Contact us by clicking on the link given in the description. Fill up the form with your name, your email address, your contact number and a few details about your project along with the date and time slot when you will be able to attend a call. Click Submit, which will take you to the next screen where you can select your project budget and your industry. After doing that, click Submit. And now your query is registered with us. This way, you can easily schedule a free consultation and a personalized demo session with us at a time that suits you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching this video till the end.